new battery for the wheel horse, so let's hope that this is what it needs to start. Pretty cool. We got a little, picked up a free little selfie stick that Shakoi's using right now, the next town over on the way up, and it was fun. We should have got footage of it. We had to cross, there's a road going like this, and there's a road like this, and the person's driveway was right here. So we had to cross the road going like this, but we couldn't really turn enough to get up the person's driveway, and we got utterly stuck.
Not to mention all the roads in Vermont are dirt.
Dirt and ice, yeah. So I mean, it was
Most
fun.
of them.
And luckily, somebody came around with a truck that had some chains, so that was helpful. Always an adventure here in Vermont. So.
As you can tell, our battery is pretty toast.
Oh. So it's always something. These terminals and posts were pretty corroded, so this bolt holding the terminal on was stuck. So we oiled the crap out of it, and now it's turning. It's free, but now we just have to try to get it to come out. We use many different methods of persuasion. So we got the blasted thing out. Wicked corroded. So we'll try to clean these threads. Get a battery on, let the bolt dry off, because water and electricity aren't the best companions. We'll see if we can get this thing started. Back legs, got some chains on there. We got the last of the rafters up, so we're just putting some collar ties on now, and after that we'll just put some sheathing on it and start having it look like an actual closed-in structure. So we're gonna get to work, and we'll get back to you soon. So the next step is to hook up the snowblower next time we're here. We got a new belt for it. It didn't come with a belt, which just hooks up right to here, the PTO. And then there's a 42-inch snowblower that goes on the front of this, a single stage, I believe. And we'll see how that and the chains and the weights work next time we're here, if there's a bit more snow. I think we have a wolf on the property. Look how big this is. Oh, just kidding, it's Coda.
So we're finally getting the snow off the camper. Oh my god, you almost got Coda.
There's gotta be somewhere I can stand on it.
I don't know. Oh my goodness. I hope it doesn't cave in.
Huh?
It shouldn't cave in.
No, I hope not.
Okay, don't rock it too much because coffee's on in there.
Oh. So we didn't get as much done as we wanted to. We were only here for a couple of hours, but we got all the framing for the shed done, so that was pretty cool. We started tacking up some OSB on the back. I don't know if you could see it. So we're just gonna enjoy a leisurely walk down our road now with some coffee. We got the propane hooked up in the camper, so we use the range stove, little propane range, just because it was a little bit easier than finding drier firewood and making a campfire. So we're gonna go for a walk, and that's it for today. So stay tuned for some more, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one, folks.